Got the DJI Mini 3 and I ordered a set of the filters for it. These filters help determine how much light gets in to the sensors and allow you to get much better full color. So these aren't going to affect the color at all. They simply filter the amount of light that can get to the sensor that give you much more control over the video. So this is a set of filters that fit the Mini 3 and the Mini 3 Pro. This is the box they came in. Let's go ahead and open them up. Got a seal here at the top. And it looks like these come in a nice hard case with some instructions on how to use them. Some microfiber cloth and a nice case. As we open them up, we can see that we have the different filters labeled. The ND8, 16, 32, 64, 128, and then there's also this CPL filter. These will come out of the case that they're held in, and you can see that they're designed to fit on to the front of the drone. We're going to go to the front of the drone and give the front camera a little bit of a twist. And now we can go on with our filter and replace it. It's that simple. It replaces the filter on the front of the camera. And now we have the various filters from Neewer. That's why I bought them. Hope this helps.